Welcome guys, this is Samsung A06. Apply heat on back cover of the phone. With blade make space between back cover and body. Remove back cover with X-ray or with any plastic paper. Remove all the screws. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove inner body. Do not damage fingerprint flex while removing. Disconnect fingerprint flex connector. Disconnect battery connector and antenna wire. Disconnect LCD flex connectors. Remove pull-out main board from the body. Install main board in new complete LCD panel. Connect antenna wire and battery connector. Connect LCD flex connectors. Power on phone, check display and touch working. Power off phone and assemble. Connect fingerprint flex connector to the main board and install inner body. Put back all the screw. Apply gum around the body on place of back cover. Install back cover of the phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Thank you for watching.